Unit 1, Lesson 2, Grammar.
什么？什么
is a question pronoun in Chinese, and it means what in English. If you see a statement like,
他姓张。他
means he,
姓
means surname,
张，
is a common surname in Chinese,
他姓张。
can be translated to his surname is Zhang. If you want to ask what's his surname, you can replace the noun
张
with
什么？
to turn it into a question. For example,
他姓什么？
another example is,
他叫陈爱比。
meaning, her name is,
陈爱比。他
means she,
叫
means call,
陈爱比。
is a full name in Chinese. If you want to ask what is her name, you can directly replace the noun
陈爱比
in the sentence with
什么
to turn it into a question, and then add
名字？
at the end of the sentence. For example,
他叫什么名字？
meaning, what is her name? From the examples above, you can find out the basic structure to form a question is subject plus verb plus
什么？
plus object. For example,
他姓什么？
another example is,
他叫什么名字？
next, there are 2 practice questions for you. Please use
什么？
to ask questions based on the answering statements provided. Practice 1. If someone answers with,
他姓王。
what would be the question? The question is,
他姓什么？
practice 2. If someone answers with,
他叫林家珍。
what would be the question? The question is,
他叫什么名字？
this is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Make a question using
什么？
and write your question in the comment.